Here at Just for Fun, we like to do all kinds of things. Hi everyone, we're going to make a volcano.
We're going to make a volcano
okay,
with everything we need. We're going to do the rest later, then we're going to do it with the other side.
Alright. So he's cutting the cardboard. I wish you let me do it because we don't cook that. But anyway, we're going to start the volcano.
I put it on.
Okay, so this is our base, right?
So,
and this
welcome to this volcano. And we're going to start it next week when we finish it up.
So this is our base, and this is going to be our little bottle there.
And we're going to volcano it if we put different kind of things in there.
So this is our base, like I said. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a bit of sellotape on the bottom there to hold the bottle. You're going to put the sellotape here. Come here.
Yeah.
Put the sellotape on there.
Yeah.
Put it up. Put it on. Stick it on. That's it. We're going to put it down in the middle there. Here, right? Right?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to put sellotape down here. Hold the bottle down like
Could
that.
I do it on the other side?
You can do the other side, yeah. That's with the height of our volcano, right?
Now, this is our action for the number.
Now what we're going to do,
And we're going to subtract something when we do it already. I'm going to dream about subtractions on the iPad so we can do the dance. And we're going to make a dollar
okay, we're going to have to scrunch it up like this. Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
Scrunch it up like this. So that'll be down here now, right? Scrunch it up like that.
I can do it.
Okay, so we've got one layer there. We're going to put another layer on top, obviously, like this here, and work our way up to right to the top. That's what we're doing. Okay, so we put the second layer up. We're going to put a small one on top like this.
We're going to put small one. We need to do this because I made this even smaller.
Okay, let me talk now. Okay, we put the second layer on. We're going to put a small one on top. I think
That's the third one.
I think we'll make this a bit more wide at the bottom there, that's all, so it looks like a mountain. This is our volcano, what we made. The beautiful thing about nature is that it can be any shape you like it to be. It doesn't matter, and this looks beautiful. Okay, the next step we're going to do is we're going to put strips of paper along like that to make it smooth and make it look like a volcano. So we've got the glue being sorted here. I'm going to stick it down like that. What we're going to do is probably dip these strips in here and just put them on like that. Let's try that. Let's try one. Let me just try one. See? Glue it down like that. That's good. That's good. And we do that all around. Okay, well this is as far as we've got at the moment. As you can see, somebody got it all over their hands and arms, so we had to use tissue to wipe him, so I just stuck it on there. But it's the first layer, as it were. We still got a bit. Hey, stop it! We still got a bit of glue, right? We're going to put more glue on there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, we're going to enjoy it.
So
when it's finished on Sunday, we're going to do it every day, and we're going to be on church.
Cut that one out. Anyway.
That's right for 100 minutes of sleep.
Okay, so the volcano. What was I going to say? I forgot now. Okay, so
So So the volcano.
It might not look 100% like everybody else's volcano, but you know what? We're having fun. We have a lot of fun doing this volcano.
We're gonna do this on Saturday. We're gonna finish it all. Then we're gonna bring it to church. And
Okay, this is our first coat. And leave it to dry. There you go. So we're gonna let it dry, and then come up with another 2 coats on. So what we've done, we've put another layer on to just make it nice and smooth. Reshaped it a little bit here and there. As you can see, this is sticking up. It's dry now, but these are sticking up. So the next step is painting it. So we're going to paint it. Unfortunately, somebody wants to paint it rainbow colours.
it's me.
Yeah, we know it's you. Okay. We're going to mix a couple of colours to make some brown. So, come on, stop it. Right. Oh, gosh, I got it on my fingers already. Okay, let me see now. We just mix a little bit first. Make sure I've got the right colours. Go on, mix them too. See if it makes... Oh, yes, that's making lovely brown. Okay, let me mix more green. Right, that's more green. Wait a minute, a bit more red. Oh, that's it. That should
You got my finger.
Yes, that should make lovely brown. Right. Right. So that's a brown. We're going to start painting the brown on here. Paint the brown. Because the way I look at it, you can always put the black on later. So we're just going to do the paint
Mix
the
it
brown.
up.
Yeah. Okay, so we've done like a brown, but it's like a reddy brown, to be honest with you. So I'm going to get different colours and do it a bit more. What we're going to do, paint this green, so it's supposed to be like a greenery bottom in theory. So here we go. This is our green paint. Start painting. I rather like the volcano as it is. But I'm going to spoil it a little bit. I'm going to try and put black on it. But this brown effect, I like that, but that's not dry, that's what it is. Once it's dry, it will go like this, so I think that's the effect I'm looking for. So put a bit of black, not the green, black. Little put. Okay, so we've painted a little bit of black effect on there, which is quite good, I like it. And because it's all ridges and things like that in there, it looks really beautiful. So what we're going to do, we're just going to put one more coat of green. I'm going to let it dry. So this is our volcano with our dinosaurs there. There's a dinosaur, right? And we're going to finish it off now. Okay, so we have our vinegar here.
Vinegar.
We have a hot, warmish water there.
Here.
We have bicarbonate soda here.
And we got this.
And this is dye, food dye.
Two dye.
Now we've got the little funnel there. Put that funnel, we'll put it on here. I'll put it on here like this for now. So I'm going to hold that while you put some of this in there, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Could I just put some?
Take some of this out of here in the spoon. Here's a spoon and put it inside there. Okay, you can put some of that in there now.
This.
Yes, you can put some of that in there.
This.
Yes. Let me take it off for you. Put it inside there. Slowly, that's it, good boy. Bit more. Bit more. Okay, bit more. That'll do. Oh, that'll do. Right.
Okay.
Okay, we got cut off there. Okay, so this is going to be the top on here. You're just going to mix this up a little bit, like this. Get this dye right in there. Do you want to mix it a little bit?
Yeah.
Just slowly, don't mix it too hard. Okay, we're off the screen. That'll do you fine.
Right.
Right. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pour this inside here. Right? Yeah. Pour it into our volcano slowly. Slowly. Go on. Pour it in slowly. And it goes all it goes. Keep going. Keep going. Ah! Not on me. Okay, that'll do you. Okay, that's good.
All of it are gone?
Yes, all of it's gone. Okay, so now you got it all over me. Okay, so now we're going to do the magic trick. The volcano's going to go kaboom. Are you ready? Okay, ready? Right, listen to what I'm going to tell you. You got to throw this in very quickly and move out the way because it's going to explode. And the dinosaur's going to be like, rah! Ready?
Yeah.
Don't put it on the floor, just put it right inside there. Really quickly. Oh! Wow! We never had a chance to do that. There you go. Oh, it exploded before we could do anything. So that's our volcano. Do you like that? Do you like it?
Amazing.
Amazing, isn't it? Amazing. Daniel's made it with his dad. Okay, here we are.
Yes!
We've got the volcano now. What we're going to do,
yeah,
we're going to put the fireworks in there. What we have to do,
yeah,
come this side. What we have to do is squeeze them like that, take off all the firework thingy box.
okay. Yeah, so this is the volcano. Daniel's been making this with his dad. All this is the red lava that you can see.
Daddy will finish it off.
Yeah, he finished it off. So make sure you're standing back when we light the volcano.
Okay, I made an adapter for this, so this
It's a real one.
it goes inside there.
So get ready, everybody. Oh no, this could be an explosion.
Right. Okay, what we have to do is yeah, we're still on. I'm going to cut this one a bit, right there. Oh, okay, that's it like that.
Now we're going to do the sparklers.
This is the fuse.
Fuse it.
This is the fuse.
That's the fuse.
Fuse up the
There's the
volcano.
fuse.
So
Oh
what you have
no.
to do, yes, again from this side, light it there and get out of the way.
Right. Come on,
From this side, yeah,
Leave
look.
it.
No, don't touch that one. This is the one you touch.
Hold this bit.
You do work from okay.
Don't drop it on the volcano until we run in.
Come here.
Stand still. Stand still.
Burning me.
Come on.
I like that. That's fine. Wait a minute.
We got this under control. Daniel's in charge. He knows what he's doing. Countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yes, amazing. Now we stand back because that volcano is gonna go doopy doopy doo. Bang bang bang. Let's see. Oh no, Daniel, look, it's going down. It's going down. The fire's going in the volcano. Red lava everywhere. Watch. Anytime, any second now. 3,
Move back a bit.
2, 1. Volcano explode! No! 3, 2, 1.
Well, the smoke's coming out of it.
It's gonna come now. Wait. Here we go.
There's a volcano.
My days, yeah! We got a volcano. A live
Stay back,
volcano
stay back.
erupting. Yes.
That's a wicked one.
That's amazing.
Yeah!
Whoa!
They put fire lighter.
We need to put more red lava on there now.
No, no, that's it. Just wait
That's
there.
amazing.
Let the volcano go out.
That is crazy. Whoa!
And that is volcano.
Remember everyone, don't do this inside the house because you can't do it in the house. It's got to be done outside. Keep kids away from the fire and only use these sparklers for the dust. Here we go. That's the result.
That's a lovely volcano, that. Throw the other sparklers in now.
Whoa!
Stay away. Oh, that was an explosion. What happened there?
What happened there?
That was explosion. Stay away.
Yeah, man. That's crazy. What's going
Did it
on?
explode?
Somebody
I missed that one.
inside of there, man. That volcano's coming back alive.
Not me.
Oh no. 3, 2, 1. Volcano, volcano, where are you?
Okay, guys.
Volcano,
If you can see
where are you? Volcano, volcano, where are you?
Okay, guys. Subscribe.
Made by Daniel.
Whatever, you know. It was a fun project. I enjoyed it more than he did.
Today is the 16th of December 2018. We'll see you around, people.
That's the end of the volcano.
Explosion.
All right, Daniel.
Explosion.
Move out of the way now. That's it. Super. Thank you.
That was fun.
It's smoking. It's a smoking volcano now.
It's a smoke signal.
Look at that volcano. It's a real proper live volcano.
Signal, man.
It's smoking.
Whoa.
Look at that. I love it.
That's a proper one. Somebody smoking in the house. Oh no.
It's a lovely volcano. Smoky volcano. Look at
Somebody
that.
smoking in the house.
There
Somebody
you go.
smoking in the house. Oh my days.
Well, I didn't expect such a result
Wow,
of this volcano.
wow. This has been the best explosion. Everyone, this is a real explosion, man. This is the real thing.
The real volcano. Look at it. It's still smoking. I think the volcano mountain is going to catch fire. I hope it does.